Let's go. Let's roll.
I'm in the fast lane when the light turns green. Good tough, I ain't nothing but grit. I made rugged blood, sweat, and spit. Yeah, like a horse I ride. I like to play hard, but I work harder. Under the storm, cause I'm built strong.
Hey guys, what's going on? Robbie Dowdy, got the 770 Trailblazer SS, coastal racecraft. Check us out on YouTube. But it's basically a daily driver Trailblazer SS. You throw a set of drag wheels and tires on it. It's bone stock LS2. Spray a little shot on it. Turned up, it's been 1048, about ready to turn the motor into a pinata. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward, just a bolt-on SS. Out here having a good time today. I'm trying to get that full 770 win. Let's try and do it. Let's go.
I was born to run. I was built to last. I was made for speed, cause I was born fast.
I'm Trent Owens, out here at Truck Wars today with my 2007 Cummins. The only thing better than the weather today is looking at Chris's beautiful beard, I'd have to say. Track prep's been pretty good today. Luckily the test and tune guys hadn't wreaked havoc on it too bad, and a couple guys close to breaking some records, so hopefully we'll go through today and make a few rounds without breaking anything ourselves.
I'm sitting in number 2 spot in Mad Max. Trey Dunavant's in number 1 spot. Then Dominique's in the 3rd spot. And Brian Jellick's sitting in number 4. So we'll have a nice pair up here in a little while. And we're hoping that if we get our tire pressure just right, nitrous just right, and cut a good reaction time, we'll be able to bring home the win.
I give it the quality meat. This here is pure Angus beef. This here, these awards, you don't sell for less.
I was cut from steel. I was built for grit. For this, yeah.
My name is Taylor Nichols. Over here from Burlington, North Carolina, with a group of buddies all the way up to Virginia. We're seeing if we can't do any good in 770 and ET today. Had some luck the past couple events, with only a couple parts breaking. So, you know, just seeing what we can do. We always love coming out here, and it's by far one of our favorite events to come out to. So, see what happens.
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it! There we go!
Play hard, work harder. I'm built tough to go longer. I was cut from steel. I was built for grit. I was made to fly. Cause I was born for this. Yeah.
up, guys? It's Brent Elliott, winner of the 670 class. Had a great time at Truck Wars. Really appreciate everybody coming out. Great event. Look forward to next year.
Trey Donovan. We ran singles elite today in outlaw class. We got first place in singles elite. Truck was running real good. We won a 6:13 final round against Chad Keeter. It was a good race, and we got second place in outlaw. Truck ran 5:72 at 119 miles an hour. A new personal best for me, and got to race one of my good buddies, Buddy Calloway, in the final race. All around great event. Appreciate everybody for coming out. Hope to see you next year.
Hunter Mason. I ran a Geo Tracker in the ET class today. Car was pretty consistent all day long. Really appreciate Buddy Calloway and Chris Parker for putting on this event. Had a blast. Can't wait for the end of the year.
Scott Morris from Reasonable, North Carolina. Won the 770 class down here. Had a really good day, really good event. I appreciate all these guys putting on all the hard work we went into it. First time on the track with this truck, I just really came to make some passes and have fun. And it worked out pretty good.
My name is Buddy Calloway. I'm the winner of the Outlaw Diesel class. I'd like to thank everybody for coming out today. We had a great event, very few setbacks, a lot of great racing, a lot of great action. Largest crowd Northeast Dragway's ever had in attendance, and some of the best racing in my opinion. Thank everybody for coming out. Looking forward to seeing y'all in the fall.
Come on.
Buddy,
Come on.
You gotta say a farewell.
You got it. You got it. Say that's a wrap. All right, just said that's a wrap for whatever you just said. Just say it again. That's all you gotta do. Do it. Make the beard flow.
You gotta just like be mid thing. I'm just coming in.
That's a wrap for Diesel Truck Wars. We'll see you guys in October.